Mederma Fever Blister Discreet Healing Patch is a small, transparent patch designed to cover and protect cold sores while helping them heal faster. It usually costs around $15 to $20 for a pack, making it a relatively affordable option compared to prescription treatments. The idea is simple. Instead of leaving a fever blister exposed, you apply the patch, which blends in with your skin, reduces visibility, and creates a barrier to stop irritation and contamination while promoting healing underneath. The technology behind it is hydrocolloid, a moisture-locking material often used in wound care. By keeping the blister environment moist and protected, the patch helps speed up the body's natural healing process while reducing scabbing and crusting. At the same time, it shields the sore from dirt, bacteria, and even your own touch, which is important since contact can spread the virus or make healing slower. The discreet design also makes it easier to feel confident in public, since it hides the blister more effectively than creams. People who've tried it generally appreciate how quickly it helps soothe pain and how well it stays in place through the day. Many say it not only made their cold sore less noticeable, but also cut down the healing time by a couple of days. Another plus is that you can apply makeup over it, which makes it practical for social or work situations. On the downside, some users mention that the patches can peel off too easily if you eat or drink, and others felt the size wasn't large enough to cover bigger cold sores. A few also said it worked better in early stages, but didn't make much difference once the blister had fully developed. Overall, Mederma Fever Blister Discreet Healing Patch is worth considering if you struggle with recurring cold sores and want a simple, over-the-counter way to heal them faster while keeping them hidden. It's not a cure for the herpes virus itself, but as a day-to-day solution, it makes outbreaks far more manageable and less stressful.